Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Spark 40 guitar amp and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this amp is not working, if it's not following your presets, if it seems to be not responding and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these bugs on it. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because your presets and all that kind of stuff will be wiped off of it. But if that's something you want to do, and that might be the second reason you want to do it, if you're buying a used one or selling this or just whatever reason, you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all the presets deleted off of it and everything like that, we can do it real easily. All we need to do is we're going to go ahead and we are going to turn it off. And then while it is off, we're going to come and press and hold the tap button right over here, right to the right of the logo. And while pressing and holding that, we're just going to come in and then we're going to turn it on. And then we can go ahead and just keep holding it until the light starts to blink. Once the light starts to blink, we can then go ahead and release the tap button. And then once that happens, you're going to long press again the tap button until all four of these lights here blink once, and then release the tap button again. Now, if the tap button is blinking and the CH1 LED is on, that means that the factory reset process has been completed, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.